What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to reveal to you my dividend income for May. And I like the way things are going, especially with my quarterly dividend stocks. My monthly dividend stocks are doing very well, but my quarterly dividend stocks are really doing pretty well. And, if the monthly dividends aren't doing too well, the quarterly dividends are doing pretty solid. So I'm making more than 200 plus a month in dividend income, which I'm happy about. And, it's a lot better than last year. So the compound interest is really kicking in. So I'm just going to go over my M1 Finance in E-Trade dividend portfolio. Again, Fundrise is something totally different. By the way, there is a special on Fundrise. If you use my affiliate link, you get $50 for signing up. That is in the description of the video. And I'm going to also reveal to you some of my dividend investing strategies that I plan on doing with specifically my E-Trade dividend portfolio. And again, with these spammers in the comment section, I apologize. I may have deleted some of your comments by accident because I couldn't tell if it was a spam or not. And like the moment that I post a video, like I get like 30 messages. I show up on my YouTube, like my notification thing on my phone. So I'm like, holy cow. So, I apologize if I deleted some of your posts by accident. I usually respond to everyone's post, and I'll do a review on some dividend stocks that you guys wanted me to review on for tomorrow. So make sure you smash that like button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's check the dividend income out right now. I remember before I even start, I remember you guys somebody made a comment like I'm so white. It's the light in the room. I'm actually a little bit more tan. I was laying out in the sun. I forget who made that comment. Like, I think it was like a year ago or something. But let me go over my holdings real quick. So you see my real estate sector. Remember, I just have like two stocks, and it's just Iron Mountain LTC right here. My monthly rates / ETFs. I have with my communication sector, I have Verizon, BCE, TELUS, and I added Zim in there. Zim is kind of like an experiment. My super REIT is AFCG Gamma, MPW, CTRE, Pine, Healthcare Trust of America, and Acre, Ares Capital, Real Estate, BDC, IMRate. I have NRZ, Ready Capital Group, ARC, TSLX, and Hercules Capital. So that's still a certain percentage. I need to put more in. Omega Health Investors, I have it at 5%. I'm somewhat worried a little bit. I don't, it's not going to really affect me that much, but I could see a potential dividend cut with these guys. I may do a video on it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on these guys with their starting to appear to be a yield trap. So I just need to be careful. Hopefully they fix things, with people starting to go back into facilities. Pfizer, again, I got this when the dip really happened during the pandemic, so I threw it to 1%. Eventually, I'm going to change that. QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD, I have at 5%. So somebody made a comment on Twitter, well, see what happens with QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. Well, the thing is, like, again, you have a certain range where you're going to get these dividend stocks. I'm sorry, these covered call ETFs, and they're not going to grow. They're not a good ETF growth, monthly dividend growth ETF or covered call, options ETF. They're not going to really increase it. So, eventually I'm going to try to get $100 each in all these, and then just start throwing them in, these stocks. So that's kind of what my goal is. Start making $100 in each of them, and then start really distributing the dividends elsewhere. So I'm not completely going to rely on these guys. I like Agree Realty Corporation, Stag. I like those guys a lot better because they consistently hike their dividends over time. Enbridge, I have it at 4%, SRC 4%, UVV 3%. Coca-Cola, I got the dip on that a long time ago during the pandemic, so I'm at 1. Eventually, I'm going to change that because, again, I want 200 to 400 or so shares. PBA 2.5%, VC 3%, MPLX. I did a video on that. I'll show you my overall shares that I have with these stocks real quick. So QYLD 66, Iron Mountain 60, RYLD 56, LTC 47, Omega Health Investors 42, BTI 41, Kinder Morgan 39, Altria 34, CSWC 31. Got to be careful with that payout ratio too with these guys. AFC Gamma 30, Verizon 28, XYLD 26, VC 26, BGS 25, MPW 25, Pfizer 24, NRZ 24, Care Trust 23.68, SRC 22.72, MPLX 22, Enbridge 21, PBA 20, Pine 19, Nusi 19, Acre 19, Ready Capital Corp 18, PennyMac 16, Devo 14, Telus 13, Coca-Cola 13, UVV. So you're seeing the numbers. I'm just going to go over. Zim is pretty low. Eventually, I need to get way up there with a lot of these, but I just wanted to briefly go over it. Now let's go over the dividend income. Let's start with May 31st. LTC $8.97, Devo $1.99, Nusi $2.90, SLG $1.90, One Oak $9.94, Kinder Morgan $11.07, PBA. Let's see, what did I get? I calculated that real quick. $2.80. You add and subtract everything. Omega Health Investors $28.64, MPLX $12.33, Agree Realty Corporation $176, BTI $26.41, JEPI $3.88, BGS $11.88, Verizon $18.06, UVV $10.52, BGS I had, if you see 37 plus, where was the other one? $11.88, that got me $12.25. NRZ 562, and then we got right here. So we'll just stop right there. So I didn't add NRZ, but you're seeing some numbers pop in, which is nice. So I made a total of $153.42 for my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, which is pretty good. So again, I'm racking up some numbers. It used to be like 100, less than 100. Now these numbers are adding up, and the snowball effect's really kicking in, which is exciting. Now let's check out my E-Trade dividend portfolio. Right now, my account is 36,000. Arbor, you're seeing that. I made it to 200 plus shares. Gain, I'm at 174. IVR 499. Again, remember, they're going to do that reverse. So, they're going to subtract some shares. So basically for every 10 shares you own, you get one subtracted. So that's one thing. Hopefully they'll get back up to where they were. Main, I'm at 95, almost at 100. O, I'm at 104. SQFT 105, which is good. Store, I'm at 96. Again, hopefully I'll get to 100, 200 shares. WPC carry, I'm at 22.45. So let's go over my income. So the dividend income was pretty solid for this past month. So NHI, National Health Investors, hopefully they start hiking their dividend. 24.57. Main Street Capital, I made 20.33. Realty Income, I made 25.78. EPR Properties, I made 19.69. Stag, I made 6.97. Heritage Bank Corp, 8.14. Arbor Realty Trust, I really racked up some numbers. 76.54, which is reinvested, of course. Gladstone Investment Corp, 13.03. So I calculated all these numbers and I made 195.05. So I made a total of $348.47. So again, that's better. I cracked the $300 mark a month in dividend income, which is really exciting. So the snowball effect's really kicking in. The dividend reinvestments kicking in. The fractional shares are really firing away those dividends, which are reinvesting other dividend stocks, and things are really exciting. Let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. You guys have a good one, and I will post a video tomorrow on some dividend stocks that you guys wanted me to do reviews on. Take care.